Hi, hello, good day students. This is Miss Kim and today we are going to learn about division of numbers by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. Okay, do you know what are multiples? Or what are the multiples of 10, 100, or 1000? Okay, let me give you some fact about multiples of 10, 100, or 1000. So, multiples of a certain number are obtained by multiplying the number with a set of counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, to make it clear, let me give you the first 5 multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. Let's start from the multiples of 10. Okay, the first 5 multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As you can see, we obtained 10 by multiplying 10 to 1. We obtained 20 by multiplying 10 by 2. And we obtained 30 by multiplying 3 to 10. We obtained 40 by multiplying 10 by 4. We obtained 50 by multiplying 10 by 5. So, that is how we obtained multiples of 10. So, we have more multiples of 10 as we multiplied it to the succeeding counting numbers. Let's have the first 5 multiples of 100. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Then let's have the first 5 multiples of 1000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. So these are just few of the multiples of those three numbers, which are 10, 100, and 1000. So as you can see, all the multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 are ending with zeros. So in this topic, we are going to divide numbers that end with zeros. Okay? And moving on, let us first identify our objectives for this topic. So at the end of this video, you should be able to perform basic division facts because basic division facts or equation are very important in dividing numbers. Okay? Then after that, divide mentally the numbers by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. As you can see, we have the word mentally, meaning to say we are not going to use the long method in dividing numbers that end with zeros. Okay, let us look forward on how to do it. Okay, so I know you are very much excited on how to do it, but hold on for a moment. Let us answer the following basic division equation. Okay? Very good, students. You did well, and that sounds fantastic. Okay, moving on. Let's have this problem. Okay, I want you to read it silent first. Then later we will read it all together. Okay, all together, let us read the problem. Manny has harvested 2,800 kilograms of corn. He puts the corn in 70 sacks. How many kilograms of corn does each sack contain? Again, Manny has harvested 2,800 kilograms of corn. He puts the corn in 70 sacks. How many kilograms of corn does each sack contain? Okay, do you know that corn, in most of the other countries, they call it maize. Maize means sacred mother or giver of life. Okay, let's go back to the problem. Let us answer the problem by using the following steps. Let us identify what is asked in the problem, what is the operation, and what is the number sentence to solve the problem. Okay, let's have the first question. What is asked in the problem? What is the problem all about? Okay, very good. It is asking about the total kilograms of corn on each sack. Then, let's have the second question. What operation will be used in the problem? Now think. What do you think is the operation that we will use to solve the problem? Okay, very good. We will use division. Okay, if division is the operation that we are going to use, then how will we write the number sentence? Great job! 2,800 divided by 70 is equal to n. Remember that in writing the number sentence, it is always equal to n. Now let's proceed on how to solve the problem and what is the final answer to the problem. Okay, so we are going to divide 2,800 divided by 70. Okay, let's do it step by step. Okay, let's start dividing 28 by 7. That is equal to 4. Then if we are going to divide 280 by 7, that is equal to 40. So if we are to divide 2,800 divided by 7, divided by 70, that is also equal to 40. Now, look at the pattern of zeros. How many zeros are there in the dividend? How many zeros are there in the divisor? Okay, as you would see, we did not use the long method, okay? Because we can do it mentally. Okay, we are going to use cancellation. So first, we are going to cancel the same number of zeros as we have in the divisor and in the dividend. Since we have only 1 0 in the divisor, it means we can cancel only 1 0 in each number. Okay, so let's do it. That's how we do it. Okay, then after that, since we cannot cancel 1 0 in 280 because in 7, we don't have any 0. Okay, remember we have to do cancellation the same way in divisor and dividend. So let's divide the remaining digit. 280 divided by 7, as you can see in our illustration, that is equal to 40. So, the answer in 2,800 divided by 70 is equal to 40. Okay, see? We can do it mentally, children. Now, the final answer is there are 40 kilograms of corn in each sack. Okay? To better understand on how to divide numbers by multiples of 10, 100, or 1,000, let us familiarize the following steps. First, cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor. Then, divide the remaining digits. And always remember this, zeros between non-zero digits should not be cancelled. Okay? Let us have examples. So we have this number, 5,600 divided by 200 is equal to blank. By just looking at the two numbers, how many zeros can we cancel on both numbers? Very good. We can cancel 2 zeros in each number. Okay? So we cancel 2 zeros in divisor, which is 200. And we cancel 2 zeros in the dividend, which is 5,600. So we do it in a right way, that we will cancel the same number of zeros on both part, divisor and dividend. Then after that, let's go to the next step. Divide the remaining digits. We have 56 divided by 2. That is equal to 28. So, that means the answer in our equation is equal to 28. As you can see, after canceling the zeros, we ignored it in dividing. Okay? Next, we have 12,000 divided by 500 is equal to blank. Okay, how many zeros can we cancel on both numbers? Okay, very good. We could cancel 2 zeros in each number. Okay, because we cannot cancel 3 zeros in each number since 500 has only 2 zeros. Okay, so we will follow number that has few zeros. Okay, so let's divide the remaining digit. 120 divided by 5 is equal to 24. So that means the answer in our equation is 24. Next, let's have more set of examples. 75,000 divided by 300. Okay, how many zeros are there in 300? Okay, right. We have 2 zeros because we will follow the number that has few zeros. Okay, since we have only 2 in 300 and 3 in 75,000, it means we could only cancel 2 zeros in each number. Okay, then divide the remaining digits. We have 750 divided by 3 is equal to 250. So that is the answer in our equation. Next, 72,000 divided by 9,000. Okay, as you can see in the numbers, we have equal number of zeros. So we can cancel 3 zeros in each number. Then, divide the remaining digits. We have 72 divided by 9, that is equal to 8. Okay, so the answer in 72,000 divided by 9,000 is equal to 8. Okay, let's have the last set of example. Let's have 42,800 divided by 200. Okay, how many zeros can we cancel on both numbers? Very good. We could cancel the 2 zeros in each number. Okay. Then divide the remaining digits. We have 428 divided by 2 is equal to 214. So that is the same answer in our equation. Next, 6,400 divided by 80 is equal to, okay, how many zeros could we cancel? Very good. We are going to cancel only 1 zero in each number since 80 has only 1 zero. Okay? So let's divide the remaining number. 640 divided by 8 is equal to 80. And that is the number or the answer in our last example. Okay? Do you get it, students? Very good. Always remember the following. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, so always remember the following. In dividing numbers by multiples of 10, 100, or 1000.